Hello children, very good morning to all of you. We are meeting after a long gap. After your Christmas holidays, New Year celebration, Pongal holidays. So, do you all remember social and what we studied for midterm exams, children? So, what did we study for your midterm? We learned about natural resource soil, how to preserve it, how to conserve the soil, and forest, its natural vegetation, and how to protect the wildlife, so many things. So just brush up when you're free, take your book and read the lessons. And in today's class, we are going to mark the states where different types of forests are presented in our country. So we are going to mark one state for different types of forests. So what are the different types of forests that is present in our country, children? There are 5 types. They are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest or monsoon forest, thorn and scrub forest, tidal forest and mountain forest. It is also called as coniferous forest. So let me tell you the description while marking or while plotting the states, okay, where the types of forest is presented. So get ready with your India political map. Take your pencil, use scale, then colors. Color pencil is also necessary. And you have to write the title. Title should be types of forests in India. And after plotting everything, you have to draw the key. We have to draw it for 1 centimeter and have to color it inside the particular color. So corresponding to that, you have to write the name of the forest. So for example, if you are coloring it yellow, if you are shading yellow in that box, it is thorn and scrub forest because it is dry forest, dry area. Okay. So get ready with your map, children. Let's start marking. Take dark green color pencil. So it is tropical evergreen forest. We are going to mark tropical evergreen forest. The area where tropical evergreen forests are presented is Western Ghats, Northeastern Hills, Odisha and so on. Okay. So let us mark one state for each forest. So this forest is very dense and trees remain green throughout the year. That's why we are marking it in dark green color. So Western Ghats, they lie along the western side of the country. So let us mark Kerala. So shade dark green color inside the state of Kerala. Next, tropical deciduous forest or monsoon forest. So it is presented in the areas of Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and parts of Maharashtra. They are less dense. That means it is not as crowded as the trees are not presented as crowded as how it is presented in tropical evergreen forest. So here the forest is less dense and they shed their leaves at the particular months. Like for 3-4 months they'll have very good growth, and when the season changes they shed their leaves. So during autumn season trees shed. Yes or no? Yes. So here the trees, they shed their leaves in a particular season. So let us mark it in green color. Let's shade the state of Madhya Pradesh. So color light green color. Color it using light green color, the state Madhya Pradesh. So as how I marked here in the image. So after this, thorn and scrub forest. So thorn and scrub forest is a dry area it is presented in the dry areas of the country. So Rajasthan and Gujarat are the dry areas where the desert is there. So how the trees and how the plants are, they need less water for their growth, and the plants and trees presented in Rajasthan, Gujarat are cactus, date palm, babul, acacia. So these are the plants and trees that are presented in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So shade the state Rajasthan using yellow color, which represents dry area. Please shade it very neatly as how I have marked in the image. Kindly be patient. Do it neatly. Do not do it in hurry. Do not scribble. Shade in an even tone. If you're shading in a straight line, make it in straight line. If you're shading in slanting line, do it in slanting line. Before shading, draw an outline for the state and then shade it in yellow color. Outline, it should be also in the same color. Don't do it in pencil or pen or black sketch, nothing. Okay? Draw an outline using same yellow color and then shade it. You can do it for all these forests. For tropical evergreen, for tropical deciduous, thorn and scrub, tidal and mountain forest. You can draw an outline and then shade inside it. So that so when you shade it inside, it won't come outside of that particular state. Okay. So after completing this, next it is mountain forest. So they are presented in Himalayan region. So Himalayan region, the Himalayan mountains, they extend from the north to eastern side of the country. So let us shade the state Himachal Pradesh. You have to shade it using brown color. So this forest is also called as Coniferous Forest because the trees which is presented in Himalayan region, they are in cone shaped, like the leaves, they seem to be falling downwards. Like they are dropping downwards, the branches and the leaves, they are in such a way that they are dropping downwards, so they appear to be in cone shaped. So hence they are called as coniferous forest. For example, pine tree, deodar, fir, etc. So shade Himachal Pradesh using brown color. It is mountain or coniferous forest. Next, it is tidal forest. Tidal forest is found in Sundarbans and other deltas. Deltas are the regions that is near to seas and oceans. They are called as deltas. So here we have marked West Bengal. You can mark it using orange color. So here the trees, for the roots of the trees, they are outside, okay? They are not under the soil or under the water, not like that. We can see it in our naked eye, the roots of the trees, they are visible. Okay, so why they are outside is they absorb nitrogen and oxygen. So they need nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so that's the reason the roots of the trees, they appear to be outside. So example, the trees are called Sundari trees. So finally the image, the map which you have, it has to look like this along with title and key. So you have to draw compass rose also. Draw plus mark, north, south, you know, right? Then V, W-E. So it is west and east. So mark it neatly. Compass rose, title and key. These three things, it has to be in pencil. You have to write it very neatly using a sharpened pencil. And underline the title. For key, you have to draw boxes using scale. Do not draw it in your free hands. Mark it very neatly and keep it safe in your portfolio. Let us stick it in our map note. Okay. Thank you, children.